Do you have what it takes to turn this into this? Bord Bia Bloom is Ireland's largest showcase of garden and landscape design, and you could be part of it. Every year, talented garden designers and horticulturalists come together and transform this corner of Phoenix Park into a magical space full of colour, inspiration, and most of all, brilliant design. Enjoyed by over 100,000 visitors over 5 days, the show gardens aren't just beautiful, they represent the best of garden design and industry talent, whilst championing sustainability, biodiversity, conservation, health, and wellness. So, it's time to get thinking about next year's show. Applications are open for show garden designers to take part in Bord Bia Bloom 2024. It's such an exciting opportunity to show just what you can create. You don't need to have designed a show garden before, but you should have some post-qualification experience, a really keen eye for design, and a proven track record in project delivery. So you might be thinking, I really want to do that, but I'm just not a qualified garden designer. Well, that's where the Cultivating Talent initiative comes in. The programme will provide financial support and one-to-one mentoring to an emerging designer, helping them to design and deliver their very first show garden right here. What a way to kickstart your career. Just imagine it, that could be you. So get thinking, get dreaming, get planning and apply. To take part, head across to bordbiabloom.com/participate for full details.